Hello, everybody. Today I'm here to share my understanding of how to generate an engaging inquiry based lesson under the subject area of music, with the given central idea that music is a universal language that connects people and culture. Let us see how basically a music teacher can use inquiry based process in the teaching learning. This is basically for grade 3. Using the same central idea, we start with the very first stage of inquiry based learning, that is tuning in, to understand the interest and also assess the prior understanding of the students. You can start with captivating musical provocations, play a piece of music from different culture, and you can ask the students how it makes them feel and what they think it represents. For this purpose, you can also use any visible thinking routine which goes well with the need of your students. Initiate a class discussion about the role of music in their life, what they think universal language means in the context of music. For this, you can give them some word association, give the word universal language, and ask them to share all the thoughts that ponder around these two words. Encourage students to share their thoughts, feelings, and experience related to music from their own culture and beyond. So, this could be your tuning in. There are three different activities. You can select one or two or all three depending upon the age group, also depending upon the capability and interest of the class. Let's move ahead. Second would be the finding out stage. Here you can explore the central idea by investigating different aspects of music and its role in connecting people and culture. Do not forget that every time you have to bring the attention of the students back to the central idea and under which theme are you focusing. For example, if the current unit is under the theme how we express ourselves. Okay, so under the finding out stage, explore various music genres from different parts of the world. Play examples and discuss unique characteristics for each. Here, you can also ask the students to group themselves which part of the world music would they like to investigate further into. Invite guest speakers, music teachers, musical band if possible, virtual or in person, from diverse background to talk about their cultural music. Perform for the class. You can also take students for some musical shows. Research and discuss how music has historically played a role in cultural events, ceremonies, and celebrations. Engage in interactive activities like creating musical instrument. Here again you can see under your subject you can call as a team teaching art teacher also, where the art teacher can help the students in creating different musical instrument through best out of waste or through the material which they want to use from various culture and learn traditional songs and dances. Here the dance teacher can also integrate in your subject area. Let's move ahead. Sorting out stage, to categorize and compare the different types of music and cultural influence. Now that the students have already researched and find out about at least two to three four types based on their interest and willingness, in small groups have students research and present on specific music genre and culture. They can discuss instrument styles, cultural context of the music. They can compare and contrast, create a classroom world music map to mark the origin of different music genres. Discuss common things and differences. You can use a Venn diagram for this between the music they have explored and how music has power to connect people across the world. This is a great activity. Do not forget to give students voice, choice, and ownership. Use visible thinking routine wherever possible. Next, we go ahead by making connection. Connect their understanding of music as a universal language to the real life situation and global context. Explore real world example of musicians collaborating from different parts of the world to create new music. Share examples, real life example with the students. Discuss how music have been used to promote social change and raise awareness of global issues. Give them the examples. Share with them the examples about it. Investigate the concept of cultural in music and how it impacts different communities. Engage in global project where students communicate and collaborate with students from different countries through music. So what you can do is you can get in touch with different schools abroad or within your country, and then here they can exchange the understanding of music, what they might be learning in that country and what the students are learning in your own country. Here in this way you can have a virtual collaboration and exchange of understanding. As far as making connection is concerned, you can do it in various forms. Going further stage, you are now deepening the understanding and application of the knowledge. Have students create their own musical composition inspired by various music genre they have studied. They can choose any one genre based on their interest and willingness. Organize a musical cultural fair or performance for the school community where students can showcase their newfound knowledge and talent. Encourage students to reflect on the way in which music connects them to others and promotes understanding and empathy. Further, you can take the reflection, coming back, bringing back their attention to the central idea of the unit, the lines of inquiry, and the thing. Engage a student's class discussion or reflective writing activity about what they have learned and how it connects to the central idea. Have students share their experience of connecting with others through music and how their perspective have changed. So here you can use the visible thinking routine of KWLH, or you can use I used to think but now I think. You can also give them the opportunity to use their illustrations to demonstrate their understanding. Later on, as a part of assessment, do not forget that it is based on participation, what reflection they give you, the presentation they do, and their ability to demonstrate an understanding of how music serves as a universal language connecting people and culture. So it is a process based. So every anecdote of each and every step of stage of inquiry should be kept ready with the teacher. This is how you can promote inquiry based learning in your respective subject area. You have observed that in this particular unit we had all the stages covered. We also had team teaching, we also use visible thinking routine, reflection, self peer can be done. You can invite different people to as a guest speaker. You can take your students out on a field trip in some musical shows. You can collaborate virtually with other schools around the globe, other musicians around the globe. This is how you can make your own music um, planner and the learning process more authentic based on inquiry based learning. I hope this video helped you all to develop an understanding how exactly you can move ahead in your journey of teaching and learning. Have a happy teaching and engaging classroom. Best of luck, everyone. Thank you.